Hey guys, what's up, what's up, what's up? So, right now I'm going to go pick up Demir. See my little roof, guys? Ain't it cute? Ain't it cute? Yeah, I'm gonna go pick up Demir from school. And me and Gabriel, you hear him? You hear him? Me and Gabriel is going to, Gabriel and I, let's correct my English. Gabriel and I are going to go pick up his brother. And then I have to go to BJ's because I have to get a membership card. Actually, I'm forgetting the coupon. Forgetting the coupon. Yeah, so are you locking me out of my own house? What's up? You know what I've come to realize? Gabriel, every time I'm on the phone, he cries. Yeah. Come, Papa. Go ahead. So, yeah, I have a couple of errands that I have to run. So, y'all gotta stay tuned. Okay. So, we're in Burger King. Decided to get a snack. I just picked up the mayor from school. Yes. So, we're gonna get something to eat and then we're gonna head out. Yeah. So, I'm at BJ's, and it is so much different than what I am used to. It's kind of dark in here, but I was able to get my card. Yeah, so I'm just gonna look around, see what they have. It's pretty quiet in here. I'm only here for like diapers, but I haven't shopped at BJ's in a while. So I don't know what to expect, but it seems just like Sam's Club, except Sam's Club is usually way busier than this. So yeah, right, Papa? Way busier. Come here. He just woke up, so you know he's in a funk. He was sleeping in the car. So yeah, I just came here for wipes. So wipes we're gonna get. I gotta still do my budget shopping. I still budget. Just because I'm moving to a house don't mean I just stop everything. I still gotta save my money. Okay. Alright. So let me see, where is baby? Let me see. Bottled water, wine. Alright, when we get to the baby section, get back to y'all. They got a pretty decent produce area, I will say that. Pretty decent produce area. I think I like that it's not so packed. And it's a Friday, maybe on the weekends. Oh, here goes my butter, guys. My butter. It's not in, what do you call it? Those packages. It's like that, that's how I like it. Oh, don't be hitting each other. That's not nice. Gabriel, he's mean. It's okay though. But yeah, see, this is their produce area, well, meats area. And their produce area. Oh, it looks pretty nice. They got grapes. They got fruits and berries. I think this is hams from Thanksgiving. They got soup. Yeah, apples, as usual. Oh, rigatoni, lobster ravioli, salted, okay. Chicken marsala, okay. All right. Pineapples. Okay, BJ's. It's been a minute. All right, let me see where the baby stuff is. We are approaching diapers, wipes, baby food. Yes. Make a right. Thank God you're done with that. You're size 5 now, baby? Yeah. Let's get some wipes for you, Baba. White bees, white bees. So I usually use the Sam's Club brand because Gabriel uses the one that don't have no scent. So yeah. So I don't even use this. I use no scent at all. See, just vitamin E and aloe vera. That's what we use this for his bum bum. But 900 wipes? I'm so used to. Yeah, I'm used to this. 1,000 something. Not just 900. See, like this part? I'm used to that. Or 100, yeah. That gotta be $22. I can't get a break. So this is 16 for 900. I gotta pay almost $5 more for this. And I don't really love Huggies because it's so godforsaken wet. I guess I gotta get this one. It is what it is. 900 though. 900. I wonder how Pampers is. They got 930. 936. $22. 23. Oh, Althea, stick with what you know. It's 900. If I ever go to Sam's Club, I think it's like 140 something for like. I think it's for like $14. Oof. All right, I gotta get a box of 2 of these. What am I forgetting? I don't have a cart. Of course not, Althea. Of course not. Of course not. So the mayor had to end up pushing while I carry that. Go ahead, baby. So I'm on my way home. And guess what we forgot? Because I'm making some ribs tomorrow. I'm going to go home and season up. I just did. Season up some ribs. So I said, you know what? Let me come to the good old Dollar Tree. I just need a pan to season my ribs in before I go home. So I said, you know what? Stop off and go to Dollar Tree. Up, up. There you go, Papa. Yeah, say hi. Hi. Say hi. Come, Bubba. Come on. You saying hi? Oh, they're not saying hi back. It's okay, Bubba. Come on. Come on.
Oh, that's right. There we go.
Come on.
I'll see you later. Be careful.
Oh, don't run, don't run, don't run, don't run, don't run. Come on, let's go this way. Come on, baby. This way. Come on. I gotta put you in the cart. Come on. Stay close to me, Demir. Stay close. Came in here for one thing. Go this way. Oh! No, I haven't really been in a Dollar General in so long. No, we're not picking anything off the shelves. Yeah, all kinds of stuff. I've been here and
Baby want toys.
well, he's not getting no toys right now. I came in here for the fall tin. That's all we about to get.
But we'll get toys.
Oh, look, they got Christmas stuff here.
What?
Ooh.
Now you all
Look
gonna
at
make
this, look at
Christmas
this, look at
stuff.
this. Look at that. Your little jars.
Now look what I found.
Oh, this is cute. Look at that.
It's a phone book.
Christmas trees, cut your own. Aw, they look cute. Little stuff. Fa la 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 la.
And Mom, look, it's actually
Yeah,
a
Dollar
Christmas
Tree.
Christmas.
Dollar General
And Mom, watch this.
isn't so bad. Oh, that's for like cookies and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, bro. Get that for the people and something. Go. Come.
That's
One
like a
down.
pouch.
Come down. Come down. Come on. You know, listen. No, listen. You know.
It does not
Come on, let's go.
listen to him.
I'm gonna have to pick you up. If you don't want to listen.
You don't.
There we go.
Now you want to get this?
Look at him dancing. I'm gonna do his hair, guys. Gabriel just don't like doing hair, so I gotta find a really good conditioner to do that hair. But is this $5 or is it $167? I hope to God it's $5. I mean, it's $167.
Oh.
I'm just gonna get one because I just need one for my ribs. Oh, I'm dizzy. Oh, I'm dizzy.
You dizzy?
Yeah, I am because I stood up too fast.
You stood
But I'm gonna
up?
just get this right now.
Now you
And
got
that's
me
it.
dizzy.
Watch it. Okay, I'm home. So let's talk about Dollar General. Guess how much this was? $5. Yes. It's $5. Dollar General. This cannot be no $5. But because I need it for my my pork. I gotta put in here to season it for tomorrow. I just used it. So, like I said, I'm seasoning my meat for tomorrow. I'm not cooking today. I actually have to find something for the kids to eat. It's 6 o'clock right now. I'm gonna find something for them to eat. And then I have to do the unboxing of the vacuum. And I might take out the man's hair. I know. Sucks. Okay. Oh, Lord. Gabriel, he on his own thing. I ain't doing him today. Put the headphones on. Put the headphones on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to... We have like one dish in this, right? But my sink, say hello to my sink, guys. Say hi. These are boxes. Still unpacking, as you guys know. So, my stove is here. Wash these dishes, just one dish out real quick, one dish. And then I'm gonna be back. So what I did was I put some water in here. Show you guys. Come a little closer. Closer. Yes. So it's my 2 pieces of pork. Put some water. My vinegar. And I let it sit there for a little bit. I'll turn it over. I let it sit there for like 5 minutes. Yeah. This part right here, you have to kind of try to remove. It'll be tough.
I'll take the orange thing.
I try to take it off with maybe a knife, or if I don't get all of it off, sometimes some of it stays on. But I try to get as much off as I can. Some of the fat you want on, because you know you want that juicy. But some of it can come off. So get in here for a little bit.
Good. Sizzling. Okay, that is amazing.
So I cleaned it off with vinegar and everything. So I'm going to start seasoning. start with my Montreal steak sauce seasoning. And I said I'm only going to season it, guys. I'm going to cook it tomorrow. Turn it over. All seasoned up. So this is gonna go in the fridge overnight till tomorrow. Put it in the oven. Nice and seasoned. Hey guys, so it is the very next morning. Yes, I fell asleep. So it is Saturday morning. I'm gonna try to get this out so that I can start my next vlog for you guys. But this is my vacuum. My sister's at my top in the way. This is the vacuum that I bought. So I forgot the name of it. I forgot it. It starts with a P. And it has pretty good reviews on Amazon. So we're gonna open it. So here we go. cordless vacuum cleaner. P10 is called Proscenic. Let you guys see the name. Proscenic vacuum. Yeah. So like I said, it's cordless. Gabriel's sleeping. God forsaken Jesus. Good morning, baby. Good morning, Gabriel. He's up. Good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning to people.
Morning, guys. I just woke up.
Just woke up. Say good morning, Gabe.
Give it a morning.
Say good morning. Say good morning, Papa. Say morning.
Morning. He's a video.
Alright, so I'm gonna open this. Oh, has a handle. Use your head, says Drea. Use your head. I mean, Althea, use your head. Oh, wait, baby, wait. Here we go. Thank you. You like it? I like it too. That's why I bought it. On Prime. Yes.
I like that.
It's a vacuum.
A vacuum.
Yes, it is. It's a vacuum. And obviously, I do have floor as well as carpet, but I still would like a vacuum sometimes because it sucks up a lot of stuff. So although I like sweeping, love sweep, sometimes the sweeping you don't get to all the dust. So that's why a lot of times I like a vacuum or something like that. My mom was talking to me about getting a microfiber mop, dry mop, so that after I wipe my floor, I can dry mop it. You know what I'm saying? So all that dust and stuff come up, cause although you don't physically see it, it's there. Can I have my card back? Can I have my cards back? Appreciate it. Yes. Oh. So this is what it comes with. Comes with the directions and stuff. No, leave it alone. Okay. Comes with what I do like about this vacuum is that literally Demir can use it. It's lightweight. Sorry. Lightweight. Demir can use it for his bedroom. Just take apart all the compartments. This is the upper part. This is this part. Okay, Gabriel, don't make it fall on the floor now, baby. I paid money for it, not play money. Real money, Baba. This. I gotta stop running. Yeah, I gotta stop running. And then I think this is the, whoa, sorry, the wall charger just came out. No, this is part of it too. Leave this alone, baby, please. Thank you. Yeah, this is some of the attachments. And this is supposed to go on the wall. I'll start with this part. And then this is a hose. Ooh, excuse me. Okay, why you gotta pick up the big parts? Pick up the small parts. Parts that, you know. Thank you. And then this is the hose. So I'm gonna put this together in some sort. And I'm gonna come back to y'all. Okay, so this is the easiest vacuum I've ever put together. Literally, guys, I didn't look at the directions at all. And I probably put it together wrong. I don't know, but it was super easy. All I did was literally click the rod in, click this part in, and that's our team. That's it. No, I think, like I said, this is supposed to, it's for the charge. So I do know that there's an area back here. Here we go. All right, Papa, thank you. There's an area back here. The part that you charge, back here. So this is the side. The part back in here, you guys can see, that is where you hang it to plug this up in. But for the fact that they have, I'm gonna turn it on for y'all. Don't take it down, baby, please. For the mere fact that, what is this stuff? Oh, this is the wire. Yes, the wire. To put on the wall properly. For the mere fact that it only took 1, 2, literally 3 clicks. Literally. I can take it apart and show y'all. Let me take it apart and show y'all real quick. Literally, see the one I showed you guys earlier? I just went like this. Click. And then this part. Take this down. I just went. Click. And that was it. That's it. Yay! That's the man. Yay! I mean, Gabriel, I can get my kids messed up. It's okay. It's okay. So right here, when you turn, I guess this is what turns it on. Let me take this part off here. Okay, so it has a, oh, it's fully charged. What? Proscenic, y'all the best. Y'all know I gotta get my, my life together. I gotta, vacuum out some of these, the webs. Although I take my, I was telling my friend last night, I take my broom and I try to get the cobwebs, out. Although I did clean before I got here, but I think they do these things like overnight. Cause every time I wake up or every other day that I sweep, I'm like, what in the name of history? So all the little dust and stuff that I do every other day that I do clean and I do mop and sweep, I'm gonna use this once a week to just get in there. Okay, but this is what, see, it has a mode. And it's on. Fully charged, did I tell you? So I press mode. Oh, so that's how, so it gets instructions. So it's instruction, right? Instruction. So yeah, I always got the instruction. I'm gonna go on the carpet real quick and pick up some stuff so y'all can see. Oh, it goes. Oh. So where's off? Oh, I think I did. Oh, see, it's easy, like a touch of a button. So I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm just gonna run it. Give those out. And it has lights right here. So if you wanna do it in the dark, you turn off the light. Real quick. If you wanna do it in the dark, you can. And you still be able to see. I'm gonna turn it up for motion. So I'm gonna go over this right here. Ooh, even in the slowest, it took it up. So let me go mode up. Now this is not sponsored, guys. I'm just doing a review on it. Y'all can see. Maybe y'all need a vacuum. I'm going to mode 3. Vacuum. Gable is helping me. Picks up pretty good. And I like that it's not too wide. Because sometimes you want to get into corners and stuff. And this allows you to. And it's not bulky. So that you can't go over beds and under beds and stuff. So I like that. Come back. Amen. See? And I'm gonna go up to 3 now. Mode 3. Yeah. See? Picks up everything. I like the vacuum. Thank you. I do like it. So see, it's just so light that even Demir, I'm gonna have Demir vacuum. Demir, come here. It's so light. Here, I'm gonna let you vacuum with it. See, he can vacuum, even he can vacuum with it. It's not heavy at all. And then what you can do is you can take off this attachment to show you guys. The man can vacuum like this too.
I can vacuum.
He can vacuum his whole room like that. No problem. That was one of the other reasons why I got it. Because the man can vacuum his room by himself.
It's gonna be my room, I guess.
It's gonna be your vacuum? No, it's gonna be the house vacuum, but I think you're gonna like it. Yeah, so. And it can also go on the floor. So that's on mode 1. You can click it to another mode. So if you go and press mode again, see? Very child-proof. What? That's mode 2. Okay. All right. I think we get it. All right, guys. So see, it is kid-friendly. Your kids can use it.